Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll create a new glitter brush in Procreate. Let's start with a new canvas, set the background to black. Next, open the brush library, luminance folder, glimmer brush. I will swipe left and duplicate it. Then I will open the shape, so I will keep the same, no changes here. Then grain should be bonobo. After selecting, click on the auto repeat and increase the grain scale to 4. Now our texture is ready. See how it's already looking shiny here. Now let's go to stroke path. Now we'll set the spacing to 8%. Then spacing jitter to 0. Jitter lateral to 70% and jitter linear to 46%. So in the stabilization I'm not making any changes, so I will keep the same. So in the taper section also no changes. Coming to shape, we'll increase the scatter to max and we'll keep everything the same. And in the grain section we are just making changes in the depth to 30%. We can adjust it later if we want. Coming to rendering, don't make any changes to blend mode. In the wet mix, change the pull to 0 and go to color dynamics. Everything should be 0. In dynamics, no changes. Apple pencil, increase the size to max. Go to properties and adjust brush size. Now let's test our first glitter brush. See how it's glowing in the middle, and you can try with the different colors. So it's looking shiny and it feels similar to glitter brush. You can also change the size or the shape, so it's up to you. Okay, now let's start with a second brush. So the same way, just duplicate the previously created brush and open it. Here we'll make only changes in shape properties. Here we can rotate the brush shape freely on any axis. Decide how the shape turns while drawing. Set the direction based on stylus movement and we'll check it now. Increase the size and see the spark on the brush. So I don't know the brush name, so I randomly created this. So please suggest if you know this kind of brush already if you are using. So I will name it as the same. And let's create another brush with a different shape. Here I'm using bust shape. So let's create and save it. Let's check the shape. Let's go to properties. We'll change the axis on the control wheel. Let's see. Now we'll test it. Let's test with increasing the size. We can see it's bright with edges with the glitter. We can call it as a glitter bright brush. Now let's try with the next brush with a different shape. So here I'm going to use splash. Let's change the control axis. Then let's try again. I think it's still too bright. Let's increase the stroke path as the spacing. This will work, I think. It's still too bright, so what I'm going to do is let's increase the spacing in the stroke path and spacing jitter. Yeah, now it's perfectly fine. This is the brush I to create, so exactly it looks the same. So I think we have created a 4 brush in this session. So if you like it, please comment, subscribe and share, and let me know in the comment if you need more brushes, if you want me to create and upload here. Thank you.